Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to attach while you're crocheting your piece. Okay, on my previous video and the previous before, I was showing you that I've been crocheting a curtain, and what happened is I wanted to make the bottom like a wave. So I created this this way how to do it, but unfortunately I had to crochet it and then join it. So I did join. I did show you the tutorial on how to join while I was creating how to crochet the edge. So what happened was my yarn, I crocheted the entire ball, but I only have this little bit left. So what I did is I said to myself, okay, now I only have one ball. I'm trying to crochet the top, and I need to finish this. So what I did is I attached the yarn and I figured out how to crochet while I'm crocheting this, how to join. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy. I don't know if there's a method or maybe I made it up, but it's very useful because then this way you can control the yarn you have. I have so much thread and yarn like this in my stash, but unfortunately the color, none of them matches. So, and unfortunately the yarn that I bought from Ice Yarn, they don't carry this. They're sold out. I bought this last year and they don't have it in their inventory. Even I added my email so to be noticed, nothing so far. So this was the yarn that I bought last year. It was $3.97 for the 400 gram. For the 8 balls that I bought, 50 gram each ball, like this. So this is the only one I have. So this is very precious to me. Okay, so this is a trick. I don't know. Like I said, if it's out there, great. If it's not, then here we go. I'm going to show you how to join while you're crocheting. Okay, this got unraveled while I was pulling it up. Okay, let me just crochet all the way here because this is the end. And then I will show you how to join. See, you can't even see it. Crochet is very, very, very tricky. You can make a lot of tricks without, even I can't even see it. Okay, I'll be back. I'll come to the end and I will show you how to join and then continue crocheting while you're joining. Okay, so I have crocheted all the way here and I'm going to do my last double crochet. I will put the link below on how to crochet this edge if you want to lengthen anything that you have crocheted. You don't have to make this part this long. It can be shorter, like even all the way here. Just to give you an idea, I'm just sharing my trick. So I poke my crochet hook and I make a double crochet. I pull the 2, but I don't pull the remaining. So what I do is I jump here, and I pull the remaining 2 just like this. So this way I did the join, I did a single crochet, I did everything, and I finished it. So I'm going to chain 2 to go up, and I'm going to make another single crochet here. And I'm going to chain... I forgot. Did I chain or didn't I? No, I didn't chain. Okay, so I'm going to turn my work, and what I'm going to do is I am going to make another single double crochet on top of that double crochet, just to give the height. And this way what we did is, see, we did a join, and then we're continuing to crochet. I hope this helps you. It's yeah, if you don't have enough yarn like I do, and you can't find it, it happens. Life, you live and you learn. So I just wanted to share you this. So I'm going to come back and show you one more time how this is done. I am very happy with the end result of this curtain that I am crocheting. Yeah, just love how it looks like. I am planning to make other curtains. If you're interested, let me know. I do have lots of, I found another 400 gram of cotton yarn, 100% cotton yarn from my stash. I must have bought those. They must be over 20 years old. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way. And then when I come back, I'll show you one time how to join while you're crocheting. Okay, so I'm back again. I do my double crochet just like this, and I pull the first two. Sorry. I pull okay, I forgot what I did now. Okay, I did pull. Then I jumped here and I pulled the remaining just like this. So I finished my double crochet and I made a single crochet at the same time. I chained 2 to go up. Remember at the end we do a 5 chain, but because we're joining as we're going, so this is how we're doing. Instead of doing the 5 chain, we're doing the 2 chain. Okay, and then on top, because my height is, I'm going up, and then I make another single crochet, just like this. And then I turn my work and I make a double crochet right on top of the double crochet I made, and I continue crocheting just like this. I hope you didn't get confused with my and this is how you join. See? So if you have a problem like I did, I just wanted to lengthen the curtain, and plus I wanted to give that wavy edge on the curtain, so you can make something like this. It doesn't have to be a curtain, it can be anything. It can be a baby blanket, an afghan, something that you have been crocheting, a skirt, and then you just wanted to, you know, lengthen the, yeah, I only have this about left, so I will continue crocheting and I will finish this. This is the back of the work, how it looks like. So you can't even notice it because it's fillet, like you do double crochet in 1 chain. It's really hard to notice. And let me just put this on here and show you how it looks like when you're joining. See, you can't even see it. Well, I have to wash it and then block it, so I'm sure it's gonna turn out fantastic. And I bought those sprays that you, when you iron, I usually use starch, but this time I just bought the bottle. Then I will spray it. Okay. And this is how it looks, the edge. Does this look nice? Something I created myself. So I hope you like this short tutorial on how to join while you're crocheting your piece. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!